Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Indiana Zulfa. I will explain a short story titled When Sysadmins Ruled the Earth. This is a science fiction story by Cory Doctorow. Felix is a sysadmin who lives in a world that runs on the internet. Life is filled with emergency calls from work, and his wife grows tired of seeing him leave in the middle of the night. One day, the main network he works for begins to collapse. After that, the city falls apart, the government disappears, and everything people used to rely on breaks down. Felix survives with his friend and a pharmacist named Rosa. They eat from leftover supplies, share food with neighbors, and try to build a small group so no one has to face the chaos alone. They make plans together, but those plans often fail, so they start over again and again. Months later, Felix returns home. He finds his wife, Kelly, and his baby already gone. He buries them with Fawn's help, his friend, and continues living in the simplest way he can. He grows food, fixes machines, and works in a small rebuilding government office that needs someone to take care of its data. There is a moment where Felix talks about cyberspace. He said he believes the digital world can give people more freedom and that this freedom can flow into real life. He thinks sysadmins like him are the guardians of machines that hold the promise of a better future. What actually happens is the opposite of his hopes. The network he protects collapses and makes the physical world even more unstable. A mix of biological and digital viruses spreads everywhere and creates more damage. Felix's beliefs sound similar to Enlightenment ideas. During the Enlightenment, many people believed science and technology could improve the world. Technology was expected to guide society towards something better. But the story gives a different picture. Technology that was supposed to help ends up making everything more fragile. Because of that, the story is like a quiet criticism of Enlightenment thinking. It presents a world where technology becomes unstable and fragile. Instead of guiding society upward, it becomes one of the reasons for its decline. In this way, the story questions the assumption that technology will always lead to improvement.